guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Okay, so recently I have shared a video about resetting my life where I have taken some time out to reflect on the first 3 quarters of the year and setting new goals for the last quarter. So in that video I have mentioned about the importance of setting new goals and how it is important to plan well in advance to have that calm and clean state of mind. So I follow this monthly reflection and planning routine where I try to reflect onto the previous month, what went wrong, what went right, and try to plan the next month, set new goals, new habits for the next month. So today I am planning to do it for the next month, that is November, and hence I wanted to share with you all the same process which I follow. And if you are interested, keep on watching. So planning can be done in several methods. Like if you are comfortable with the physical planners, you can use the planners or the notebooks or the to-do list for planning. Or if you are comfortable with digital planning, then there are several apps or the notes section of the laptop or phone. Or there are several digital planner templates, so that also can be used for planning. Okay, so for me, I do a mix and match of both the methods. So sometimes I use some apps to plan, like which I will be sharing later in this video, and sometimes I use some of my DIY planners to plan. The goal set should be SMART. So it should be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time bound. Specific means we have to be very particular about the goal that we are setting. Let me take an example and explain. So let's say I want to have a weight loss journey. So I should be very specific that I want to lose 5 kgs in say 6 months or 1 year time. So the second point is measurable. So measurable means there should be a way to measure how much we are improving with respect to attaining the goal. So my goal of weight loss is definitely a measurable goal. Like I can use a weighing scale to measure how much I am progressing towards it. So attainable means setting realistic goals. Like it should be achievable in that specific tenure of time. Like so I am setting a goal of losing 5 kgs in 1 year or 6 months. That is okay, like it can be achieved. So it should not be like setting up unrealistic goals like 5 kgs in 2 weeks. So that doesn't make any sense. Realistic. So we should be always setting realistic goals, like which is attainable in that specific amount of time, not like setting up huge and unrealistic goals which is very difficult to achieve in that tenure which we are setting. So the next point is time bound. So time bound means we have to specifically define that I want to achieve this goal within this period of time. Let's say I want to lose this much of weight in 6 months or 1 year. So I am setting a time by which I want to achieve this goal. For today's planning, I will be using a DIY planner which I have made out of a simple notebook. So the process of this DIY I have shared in one of my latest YouTube video. If you have missed that video, I will link it here and also in the description box for you to check. Please watch that video and then continue with planning. For new habits, I take it very slow. I start with one thing at a time. Recently, I have started waking up really early. So for waking up early, I had to sleep early. So I made that shift 15 minutes each week. So for digital planning, I have also started using Notion. So it is a very useful software app, and I have seen a lot of videos about it. So I would need some more time to explore the app and all the features before talking about it. So now it's time to take the action. Planning without action makes no sense. Now as our planning is done, so let's start taking the action from day one. Okay, so if you have found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I will see you super soon. Till then,